ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहे तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। जय माँ एवरीवन, जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ। Bharti bhai.
Jai Ma.
Okay, you know what I'm making today is Szechuan sauce, but I'm putting some veggies in it, and this you can have with triple Szechuan fried rice, which I will be making in the next video and showing you. And in the last video jo tha, I had made that the Kashmiri red chili paste that I will be using in this. So if you haven't seen it, go back and see that, and it's all a continuation, so everything goes together. That's why you can go back. Plus I want to tell you that this is, this channel is called Swamiji's Kitchen, right? But all my old vlogs of, all the cooking vlogs of my Sattvic food and more are there in the playlist in this Swamiji's Kitchen. Plus they are all there in Swami Nityanand Giri channel also. All the old ones. The new ones are all here. So some people were asking me that we were looking at this and we were looking at that. So I said now it is the new channel which you have to click on that and subscribe on that, and you will get notifications of all the new videos, new vlogs that I'm making on cooking. So this is just a cooking channel, and that has my talks and you know the rest, the interviews and everything. So let's begin. Switch on the flame. It's a yummy sauce. Okay. Put your pan. Add oil. Then you need lots of chopped ginger, adrak. Then hari mirchi, chopped, as much as you want, you can add. Then that chili paste that we made yesterday, not yesterday, in the last video, I made it yesterday. Add 2 tablespoons, heaping ones. Then add soya sauce. Everything is basically 2 tablespoons. Light soya. Then add green chili sauce. Then little black pepper, tomato ketchup, two tablespoons. Then let me stir everything nicely. Then add salt, then add little bit of sugar, stir. I'm putting the flame on high and cooking this masala. Now you take as much water as required to make the sauce. Go on stirring. I think I'll add more water. And then putting it slow again because I'm making the corn flour slurry. So take your corn flour, 1.5, then add water. See how you make it. Can you see, Bharti? Mix. It's basically 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour and say 4 tablespoons of water. So you add that in the sauce once it comes to a boil. Add the slurry. So it thickens. And then you take all your veggies. So what I've taken is capsicum, carrots and cabbage. I've cut it into long strips like this. Drop it in. Little bit, not too much of sabzi. Not too much of veggies. But drop it in. Look at the color. And then add some vinegar. Measurements are all there, okay, in the description. And it's very easy, you have to keep everything ready, that's all. See, now it's thickening. So now if you feel that it's thickened too much, you can add water. Keep the flame on high and go on stirring. And then you take a lot of coriander, hara dhania, chopped very finely. You add it in this. See? Lots of hara dhania. Mix it nicely. And your yummy sauce is ready. And serve. See, yummy sauce, Szechuan sauce with triple fried rice you can have. It's delicious, right? Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanam Gunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Ma Jai Ma. In this sauce, kabhi you can put Manchurian balls also with this sauce, I haven't done it. I've shown you Manchurian once earlier also in one of my old videos. So you can put Manchurian balls in this and also have it, and you know how to make the Manchurian balls. I've shown it to you, and if you don't remember, go back and see it. But I have just made the sauce with vegetables because I want it this way. Try it, it's delicious. Jai Ma.